unboxing for iPhone 15 Pro. As you know, it's the first day of delivery in Australia. So let's do it. So the booking for this order started on 15th of September at 10 p.m. in Australia, and we placed our order exactly at that time. See how it is. This is actually iPhone 15 Pro, natural titanium, 256 GB. So actually they dispatched it yesterday and we got it delivered today because today is the first day, that is 23rd of September 2023. Let's unbox it. So yesterday we did receive email from Apple saying that our order has been dispatched, and today it's 22nd and we received it. It's really good service that they were keeping us updated time to time. And now let's see this one. Okay, now let's open this up. Wow, this is such a pretty color. Look at this, so nice. Let's have a look. There you go. So this is so pretty. Look. New iPhone 15 Pro is lightweight, and look at the edges for this one. They're so nice. So this time Apple has added an extra feature to its accessories by upgrading its cable to this lightning cable. With this, what we can do is we can connect this with our phone and the other one with a MacBook, and our phone can get charged along with the MacBook, and we can also transfer the data from this. And another thing is we can charge our AirPods with this one. That's it. Now I'll just add my SIM and then we'll see how it goes. That's all from my end. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.